This is a story of a job shop making parts for off-road vehicles in 3 shifts of 8 hours each. The parts are made on CNC turning centers and CNC machining centers. In the first week after implementing our LeanWorks system for CNC tracking, it showed misuse of the feed rate override on CNC machines in the night shift. The feed rate override was set to more than 100%. The scheduled quantity was done in less time and the machine was idle for the last hour or two of the night shift. This was on some machines. On some other machines, the CNC tracking showed that machines were run at high feed rate override in the first and second shifts, and more parts than required were produced. In the night shift, the machines did not produce for some time, and the excess parts from the first and second shifts were shown as having been made in the night shift. The cycle details reports in LeanWorks clearly showed the result of the CNC tracking when the actual cycle times were less than the standard cycle time. So, although the production schedules were met, the surface finish was poor and tool life was reduced. On our advice, the shop manager just pinned the daily printouts of hourly production on the notice board. The variations in production quantities on all the machines were very visible to everyone on the shop floor, and the problem just vanished on its own in a week. Work ethics issues like misuse of feed rate override are what we call the low-hanging fruit resulting from CNC tracking. They can be fixed in a couple of weeks with no investment in equipment.